The whole squad I go down now.
Right. It's okay.
Let's take the wheel.
Right.
Oh, you guys, I just tearing up like crazy. Leaving my family is never easy. Oh my God. Taylor, who is this?
I don't know.
It's me.
30.
Oh my God. Baby, go look at your wife. Babe, look at your wife. Hi.
Trying better for me to walk.
Honey, look at your wife.
Yeah, I see
Look
her.
at your wife.
Yes, mama.
OMG.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's my last day here in Boston. Look at the kids. I'm leaving Boston today. Cry. Me cry from early because me know tears gonna shed later. I'm telling you, I'm crying from early because I know tears gonna shed later when it's time to leave. My auntie's in the kitchen as usual. This lady don't sleep, y'all. She don't know what is sleep. She don't know what is sit down. She don't know what is rest. She making breakfast. She making plantain and ackee and salt fish and roast fried breadfruit. So breakfast on the go. Say morning, auntie.
Good morning, babes. How
Hey,
are you?
yes. Hi.
It's Sunday and it's time for my niece to go back to New Jersey. So I don't know when this will happen again. So I'm making sure I fix her the real Jamaican breakfast.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the real Jamaican didn't come in with me because she a go
I'm
cook.
gonna fix curry goat, rice and peas, and send her on her way.
Hi. Yes, so Pata go on early in the morning. I'm gonna make a cup of hot chocolate right now. Babe wake up, so he will come down in a bit. But we're gonna take our time and get our stuff together. And listen, y'all, I'm not looking forward to leaving because I'm pitting him a go ball. My kid's gonna cry. I can't talk too loud because I'm gonna start crying from early. But anyway, Boston was everything that we expected and more. The few days we were here was just everything. I wish I could stay the whole month here, but we gotta go and keep it moving. You guys, my auntie wedding album that I wanted to show you guys of when I was a kid growing up. How I used to look. Let me see if I find a few photos. This is the wedding that I was. This is the wedding. You want to see? Come look.
But I got
Come around here. No, come. It's okay. This is auntie's wedding that I was flower girl. This is my grandfather, Tyler. This is my grandpa right here. That's my grandfather. I'm gonna show you guys me. Let me find pictures of me. And you guys probably find pictures of my mother too when she was younger. This auntie and uncle here. Look at them. Slim and trim.
You want light?
Yeah, you can't turn on it. Why?
This, Mama, this is not Aunt Grandma.
Of course, no, it's Auntie Jenny and Uncle here.
What?
Yeah, yes, when they were young. Hey! Oh, this is my auntie and her daughter Denise. No, it's Auntie Lana. Oh my gosh, she have Denise's whole face. Look at mommy. That's mommy, no, auntie?
Yeah, man. Plain a one in there. You don't have to take that.
Oh my gosh. Hey, hey. Oh my God. Tyler, look at grandma.
Hmm?
That's my mom. Honey, have you seen this?
No,
That's your grandma.
it's impossible. It's impossible.
Yes, that's mommy. That's my mom here.
At my wedding.
Yeah, she didn't change.
Yep, she haven't changed. Look at my mom, you guys. OMG. Wait.
Next
Wait.
photo.
Watch auntie, the pretty dress.
Does that look like Auntie Jenny?
Yes, it is.
This is
See a
your
better one of.
grandfather.
See grandma, that's my grandma here. That's my grandmother.
I
and
want
my
a picture
grandfather and
of
uncle.
you.
You want a picture of me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you a picture of me. This is my mom.
Picture?
No, when you get
This is
home.
my
Where
mom
are
right here.
you?
Hold on, let me show you me.
1996. I was 40 something.
Oh my god! Taylor, who is this?
I don't know.
It's me.
30.
Oh my god! Baby, go look at your wife. Babe, look at your wife. Hi.
Trying better for me to walk.
Honey, look at your wife.
Yeah, I see
Look
her.
at your wife.
Mama.
OMG. Sarah, look at mama. Look here. That's mama. You have to take. OMG. Uncle David, I carry towards drive video.
Can we carry it to
What? The photo? No, I take a picture on my phone. These are anti-memories, Ty. But I take it on this.
No, I'll be fine. Come on. I'll be fine.
That's
Trust me.
mommy.
Nobody does drinking.
See you
when
here,
I reach
too.
there, I need to, yeah.
where you are?
This and this.
Oh my god. See me there?
Wine, champagne.
Hold on. You guys, look at me. Let me show you guys good. That's me. And this is my cousin Marsha that you guys met earlier. This one is my cousin Marsha. You guys met Denise at my grandmother's funeral. Oh, ain't cheap. Oh, look at me though.
Your grandmother is.
And I'm on this one, but this one kind of dark. Here am I again, right?
You're bright
here.
one around
You didn't change.
I? Me?
No.
Uncle haven't changed. Auntie haven't changed. Though. Same face. Same face.
It's still hot in here.
Hey! Oh my god, Ty. Look at mama chew up flowers. Watch me pretty dress. I'ma talk to me nice there. Talk to me nice. Watch pretty dress and pretty shoes. Oh, MJ. You guys, look at me. Look at your girl. Hey!
We're going viral now, Nisi.
Yes, my love. Yeah, go viral, you know.
Photo. It's 2 times the same photo.
No, it's the same thing I was doing, but it's different
Light comes, it looks
position.
so pretty.
They don't have to write
should
anything. See now
here.
there. Watch here, me the main table. No talk to me nice. Hey, I'm right here. And my mom here. Oh, and all my cousins are here. Oh my gosh.
Where is
Ah,
that?
the one that you fall in love with, auntie.
Yes.
Ah.
In Orchard.
Let the goodbyes begin. Honey, you're too comfortable. Get up.
I don't want to leave. Memory.
Look at this little kid.
No. Just leave the cleaning. It's okay. I remember.
Y'all know he was gonna cry. If nobody not cry, Tyler gonna cry. That's alright, Papa.
It's okay. I promise I'll be coming to France, okay? Alright, okay. Come here.
Go give that a hug. Go on.
Don't cry. It's
The whole
okay.
squad
Don't
go
cry.
down now.
Don't cry. It's okay.
Let's
Don't
take the
cry.
wheel.
Don't cry.
Not cry, Mama. Go to Tonton. Go to Tonton. Mama is right here. Off. Oh, you guys, I just tearing up like crazy. Leaving my family is never easy. But we have to go back to Jersey right now. So after Jersey we go 5-hour drive. So we have everything packed. Auntie gave us lunch, she gave us dinner. Auntie cooked curry goat and rice and peas and white rice, and I have a container with oxtail that my cousin gave me from yesterday. So yeah, Boston was yeah, it's in the bag, she packed it. Boston was absolutely amazing. Everything and more Boston gave us, and we enjoy our week to the fullest, right babe?
That was a good week.
Oh yeah. Anyway, you guys,
Go back to the brother.
Back to my brother. Another happy moment, and then when it's time to leave them, it's gonna be another sad moment. But seeing them is all that matters, and you know, enjoying every bit of the moment with our family. But now we off to Jersey. So Jersey, we on our way. Connor, where's your friend? Connor looking for Sarah. You hear them playing? Sarah, come around here. Connor, come. Bench and Batty, these two, you know, look at them. You two find back each other? You find back Connor? Yes, jeez. You find back Connor? Yeah. See Connor behind you. Connor, give it to Auntie. Give it to me. Don't put anything in your mouth. Oh no, watch her. Oh no, watch her. Watch her, watch her. Look at Connor. Turn up, my nephew. Turn up, Peanut. Turn up. Hey, go Connor. Go Connor. Ah, Jesus. Watch Mr. Extra dining. Lord Jesus, take the wheel and poor Olivia sleeping in all this drama. Oh, What's Sarah do?
And come and beg me for that one. How dare you take it, brother?
You can't separate Connor and Sarah. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Say morning, baby.
Good morning.
Driver, don't stop at all. You guys, my babies are in the back. Say good morning, Sarah.
Good morning.
So Tyler, say hello.
Wagwan.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Hey.
Yes.
You guys, you see my hair? I am ready to wash it and take out these braids and put in something new. Hopefully I can accomplish that this weekend. We are on the road. I haven't vlogged for a few days now. Doesn't seem like it for you guys, but it's actually true. In reality, I haven't vlogged in a few days. But we are going to Walmart. If you come to USA and you go to Walmart, and you don't go to Walmart, you aren't in USA, period. You have to go to Walmart once you come to USA, because Walmart is the place to go to, okay? Whatever it is about Walmart, then you just gotta go. So we're going to Walmart to pick up a few Nick snacks, because to be truthful, time is winding down for us to go back home to France. By your quint, it will be time to go back home, and the tears will be flowing and the sad face will be on. But anyway, we're on our way to Walmart right now, so hopefully you guys are having a good day. And if you guys wondering what am I talking about and you're new to the channel, We are in the USA on vacation from France. You don't know what? And if you don't know who I am, I'm Melissa. And I'm originally from Jamaica. So make sure you subscribe to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up with us. Why does the road look so wet? Is it raining? It's strange. You think they just wet the road? Sprinkles?
Prendre à droite sur Texas Road.
Okay. So where the water coming from? In people's yard. You guys, it's so hot outside. This heat wave not normal. Babe, it is raining.
Continuez sur Texas Road pendant 1 mile et demi.
It have to be raining.
Dans 1 mile et demi, prendre légèrement à droite sur Spring
Or
Valley
it
Road.
was raining. No? Of course. Look. Everywhere is wet. Anyway, you guys, heading to Walmart, so I'll catch you guys later. Catch up with the Fam Bam. So I didn't get to film for you guys because I was really focusing on going through, but I realized that this store is just like the store in France where we went that I take you guys to sometimes that have everything. The only thing that I realized here is a variety of what we don't have in terms of character, things that we can't find in France easily, that you guys have galore and easy to find. So yeah, we're just checking out right now with our few fandangos. Yes, that's it. Yes, she gave the dog a name. Sarah, pick up a little pink dog. She's too funny. I'll show you guys the few things that we got. Okay, you guys, so we went to the famous Walmart. And Walmart is just like the store at home that we call Carrefour, that we go to quite often. So now I satisfy my Walmart soul because I mean...
Was the first time you went to Walmart?
No, but the first time I went, it was in the night and it was just an in and out. I didn't get to see and walk in there and see what it's like. Years ago when I came, when I think when I had Sarah 3 years ago, it was night, late night. So I satisfied my Walmart soul. Now I don't have to fuss over Walmart anymore because I realized I have the same thing at home. But like I said, the only difference is the character things that we like for the kids, like the Paw Patrol and the Minnie and the Naruto. Those things you can just pick your size, pick up everywhere you go. It's there. In France, some of them is there, some of them are there, but the prices are ridiculous, or you don't find it at all. So now finish Walmart and I'm going to Target and Sally's because I need some braids, and I'm gonna see if they have my shampoos, and Target to see if they have any pajamas. We found a few pajamas for Sarah, nothing for Tyler. The reason why we didn't pick any for Tyler is because the prices that they have at Walmart here is the same price that we see for pajamas. Why are pajamas so expensive? Like why? Especially for the boys. It's always like 10 and 12 euros or 10 and $12. Why pajamas are so expensive? I don't know. But anyway, here we go. Target. So we are in Target, strolling through, and they have really nice things, but no sale. So the prices are normal prices, like what would expect, but no sale on the pajamas, or still the same prices that I've been seeing everywhere else. But in here is nice, especially the home section of Target is really nice. And they have a small supermarket section. So okay, Target, I see you. My first time to Target, so I'm enjoying this stroll through. So I wanted to show you guys real quick as I'm about to end the vlog, the little things that I got at Walmart on sale. So I finally found these pajamas for Sarah, which was 2 sets for $8. And we went to a second Walmart actually and found this cute little shirt for Ty, which was $6. More pajamas for Sarah. I think this one was $3, and another one for Sarah for the same. But we found these at a different Walmart, which had more variety of things on sale. So we got mostly pajamas for Sarah because these are so expensive back home. So I'm happy that we got a few of these things on sale. This one was $6, and I think this one was $4. So those also got Tyler this shirt. So we got Tyler 2 shirt at Walmart. This one was at the second Walmart though. I also found these shoes for Tyler for school, which I think is perfect because these shoes have a protection thing at the front, and Tyler and shoes on the front is just not friends. So I like this one and it fits him perfectly. Finally found character shoes for Sarah, so these can be for school or whatever we decide. So I got this one, which was Peppa Pig. She absolutely loved it, and she loved Stella. You guys call her Sky here in English. Paw Patrol shoes, she loved those too. And I also got her a pair of slippers for school, which was on sale. So Sarah got 3, Tyler got 1. We got Sarah these because we can't find these character shoes in France at reasonable prices, so we were happy about this purchase. This was $16, almost $17, and I think this one was a little bit cheaper than this one. I think this one was $12. But yeah, because we didn't find any pajama for Tyler, so we got him the shirt. But I don't know if I'll be able to find any pajamas for Tyler before we leave. But if not, then I'll go back to France and buy those. But anyway, guys, these are the cunning snacks that I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to the fam. Bam, catch up and keep up. And of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow.